My name is Ram Appalaraju, VP of Marketing here at Enterasys. Today I'm here to talk about a key announcement we made today. This is around enterprise mobility, a comprehensive range of device-specific solutions for enterprises, academic institutions in K through 12, higher education, healthcare, broader enterprises, healthcare, hospitality, so on and so forth. This announcement is centered around mobility and devices that are becoming pervasive in the mainstream marketplace. There is a lot of buzz in the marketplace around BYOD. As I outlined in my blog last week, it's not just enough to focus on a solution just for guest-owned or employee-owned devices. It needs to be holistically addressing the needs of all things mobile, right? That's what I talked about last week. Today, we are introducing a new product, what we are calling Mobile Identity and Access Manager, or Mobile IAM for short, a complete solution for BYOD requirement, enterprise mobility requirement. It has the capability to provision the network services by device, by users, by application, by location of access, so on and so forth. It's a comprehensive range of features. A single appliance supports up to 3,000 devices, and you can scale them in increments of 500 devices all the way up to 100,000 devices. While 100,000 may sound like a big number, in a typical higher education of 20,000, 30,000 students, if each student carries 2 or 3 devices, it quickly adds up to close to 100,000. So the scalability of a solution is the key as much as the completeness of the functionality we bring in, right? And we're going to list the product at a very aggressive price. And typically we expect the complete product solution to essentially enable customers with a BYOD solution for under $5 per device. That's how aggressive we want to position this, because so confident the solution has all the pieces that they need. The second aspect, what I'm even more excited is we are essentially complementing the product with a complete range of professional services. This is what we call guaranteed professional services that we guarantee the users or enterprises or IT organizations that we would come in and scope the environment for enforcing BYOD solution. We would architect the solution uniquely for the customer environment and deploy the solution, help the customers manage the environment at a fixed time window and a fixed cost. And that's a guarantee. And typically we think a 3,000 device installation would take us under 10 days to do it. And that's a guarantee. I use the word guarantee very strongly here because that's how much confident we are. So those are the two major aspects of the launch: a mobile identity access management solution and a guaranteed professional services. We are also complementing this whole solution by a range of professional services because we realize our user requirements, market requirements for BYOD is a bit more broader than this. Particularly, we help integrate the existing VDI, virtual desktop environment, for delivering mobile applications to BYOD or employee-owned or corporate-owned devices. We would provide the integration services, integration for threat management with vendors like Palo Alto Networks, and also integration for MDM vendors like MobileIron, like Boxstone, like AirWatch, with the services that makes a solution in essence complete, robust. And this whole environment is what we are calling it as BYOD done right. Now, BYOD done right, as I described in my previous blog from last week, it requires a range of things, from scoping of the device, from user experience, so on and so forth. And we are addressing essentially with this announcement. Last but not the least, the architecture of a BYOD solution is based on what we introduced back last fall and continuing to evolve and produce new solution, what we've been calling as One Fabric. This One Fabric portfolio of products, particularly in the security umbrella, provides the differentiation and the value to enable uniqueness, differentiation, and a world-class solution for BYOD environments. As you can tell, I'm very excited about this. More of information on this announcement is on our website, enterasys.com or onefabric.net. You'll find wealth of information on our new announcement, including videos from our customers, white papers, some of the fantastic papers written by our analysts. I've been talking about this to analysts, press, CIOs, and broader markets. So far, feedback has been extremely positive. I strongly urge you to take a look at our website or just send me a note. I'd be happy to find out what your interests are. So enjoy more on it next week, where I talk more about actual customer deployment examples. Until then, take care. you.